Meaning of evil.
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 Evil. Evil refers to something morally or ethically wrong, wicked, and harmful. It can manifest in various forms such as intentional harm, cruelty, deception, and injustice. The consequences of evil actions can be devastating and affect individuals, communities, and societies adversely. Evil behavior can lead to broken relationships, emotional and physical pain, fear, and sometimes even death. When unchecked, evil can spread like a virus, corrupting everything in its path. It is essential to recognize and address evil to promote a healthy and just society.